Good morning, children. I hope you're all very safe and fine with your parents. In your previous class, we have discussed and completed the syllabus Nutrition in Plants. Today, in this class, I would like to start one more new chapter Acids, Bases, and Salts. So, in this chapter, you need to study some of the important concepts such as acids, bases, and tastes of some substances related to acids, and tastes of some substances related to bases, and also how to identify acids, bases, their properties in this lesson. So, in this class, we would start with tastes of some common edible substances. So, whatever the substances we are going to use in our day to day life situations, so we need to check what are the tastes. I hope you are all very familiar with this. Just we will try to recall all the tastes once again. So, edible substances have different tastes. For example, some have sour taste and some have bitter taste. In our day to day life situations, whatever the substances we are using, some of them substances have sour in taste, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಳಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, and some of the substances which are bitter in taste. So some have sweet taste and some have salty taste. I think you are well familiar with all these words. So let me see what are the substances which are going to be sour, sweet, and also salty. So we will differentiate just by taking one after the other substances. So the first, it is the lemon juice. For example, lemon juice. So I think you're well familiar with the lemon, so it is always in sour taste. And orange juice, so orange juice also sour taste and sweet taste. If it is a tender orange, it is a sour taste. If it is a fruit orange, it is in sweet taste. And vinegar, so vinegar, it is used for the preservation of food. So that means just to avoid the spoilage of food, we can use the vinegar for the purpose of storing food. So vinegar also sour in taste. And curd, so you are very familiar with the curd, and most of you are very fond of the curd also. So the curd is also in sour taste. And tamarind, so tamarind, it is sour in taste. Sugar, so sugar, it is sweet in taste. So regularly we are going to experience the taste of this sugar in our day to day life situations. And common salt, so without common salt no food can be cooked. So common salt, it is always salty in taste. And amla, so amla, it is also in sour taste. So amla, it is very rich in vitamin C, so hence we should inculcate to use the amla in our day to day life food situations. And baking soda, it is bitter in taste. So grapes, everyone experience it by eating these grapes. So grapes is in sour and also sweet. If it is a tender grape, it is sour taste. If it is a fruit one, so we can have an experience of sweet taste. And unripe mango, so unripe mango, in the sense it is also tender mango. So mango, it is also in sour taste. And glucose, sweet taste. So all these are the different kinds of substances we can use in our day to day life situations. And so today we have listed all the taste of these substances belongs to sour taste, sweet taste, bitter taste, and also sweet taste. So this is how we can identify different kinds of substances. So I hope you're all experienced by eating all these food substances. I think you understood this concept. So after knowing this concept, the next very important concept, it is the tastes of some acids. So now see, in the beginning class itself I told you that So the chapter name, it is the acids, bases and salts. So here we are going to study about the acids and bases. So now we need to discuss something related to the acids. Acids. So as we know that acids are sour in taste. So this is very important. Keep in mind, what is the taste of an acid? In the sense, it is always sour taste. So previously I taught you more number of examples. It may be amla, it may be vinegar, or it may be oranges, lemon. They are all sour in taste. So if any food material which appearing as sour taste, so which contains sour taste, we can conclude that it is a type of substance which belongs to the acid. Therefore we conclude that lemon, lemon juice, it is in sour taste, hence it belongs to the group of acid. So shall we list out some of the substances and what kind of acid which is present in particular substances. So before that, keep in mind, acids are the substances which always are having sour taste and they are always acidic in nature. So this is very very important. Keep in mind, acids are the substances always which have a sour taste, and these substances are always acidic in nature. So let me list out some of the substances and the kind of acid which is present in particular substance. So the first variety is vinegar. So previous only I taught you that vinegar, it is the substance which is used to preserve the food. That means just to avoid the spoilage of food. So the kind of acid present in vinegar, it is the acetic acid. So this is very very important. Keep in mind, because in your further classes also you want to study all these concepts. So keep in mind, vinegar is a substance. It contains a kind of acid that is called as acetic acid. And ant sting, so you are well familiar with the ants. Ants are having stings. In that stings, the kind of acid present, it is the formic acid. So because of this reason only, whenever an ant bite occurs, we feel that itching, some rashes will appear on the skin. This is just because of the presence of formic acid in the ant sting. And citrus fruits like lemon, orange, and also some of the citrus fruits. So the kind of acid which is present, it is the citric acid. And the curd, so this is very very important. Keep in mind, curd contains lactic acid. And spinach, that kind of acid present, it is the oxalic acid. And very important, amla. So amla, it is used in the treatment of many diseases, and also it is used to prepare more number of medicines also, because it is very rich in ascorbic acid. Hence by consuming a amla daily, it results in a good health. And the last one, it is the tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes always contains tartaric acid. So whether it is a tamarind or a grapes or unripe mangoes, etc., are always contains tartaric acid. So this is very very important, children. Try to keep in mind. So acids are substances which have a sour taste, and these substances are always acidic in nature. And some of the substances like the vinegar, so what kind of an acid is present in vinegar? In the sense, it is the acetic acid, and formic acid is present in ant sting, and citric acid is present in some of the citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. And curd contains lactic acid. So this is with the help of a lactobacillus bacteria, the milk is converted into curd. So the name of the bacteria, it is lactobacillus. This bacteria is responsible for the conversion of milk into curd. And spinach contains oxalic acid, amla, ascorbic acid, and tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes are always contains tartaric acids. So all these concepts are very very important. Listen the class carefully and read all these substances along with the name of an acid. So keep in mind, these concepts are very very important for your upcoming classes also. I hope you understood the introduction to the acids basis and a little information related to the acids. So by having these two, if you got any doubts in this, just make me a call or send your doubts through the WhatsApp. If you are getting any doubts, I'll just try to clarify your doubts, and whatever the questions I am sending through the WhatsApp, finish the answers and send me through the WhatsApp within evening without fail. So take care of your health, children, because health is very very precious, and take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.